Rod Duick. I'm from Lethbridge Alternative Schools and Programs in Victoria Park High School. Every year for the last, I don't know how many years, we've been raising money for Christmas hampers and for the kids. And last year we set a record at $6,000. This year we raised over $8,500, thanks in large part to Lethbridge Firefighters Charities Association. They incredibly generously donated $4,000 to our hamper fund. It's amazing. We called Mark Shipman at Save on Foods and he was ecstatic. So we put together 42 hampers this year. He donated 42 turkeys, and you can see the trucks in the back there. We got it loaded up. We're going to take it to school, and we've called the 42 families that are getting it, and they're incredibly excited. So it's just a wonderful time. It's been an ongoing thing. You can see all the staff and the people that are around it. It's kind of got a life of its own. It's just really nice. It makes Christmas for a lot of families. Yesterday we had the duty of phoning, like all of our advisors phoned the people in their group that won, and it's incredible how emotional it is. They'll cry. They say it made Christmas. It's changed Christmas for them. It's just something that we're really proud to do and we're happy to do. It's just huge.
Hi, I'm Andy with the Lethbridge Fire Department. Every Christmas we like to do something for the community. So Kim Orr messaged the firefighter charities and asked if we could help out, and we were more than happy to give a check to help pay for some of these food hampers. It's very important. That's the only reason we do the fundraising. Every year at Christmas is probably our favorite time. We donate money to charities like this, and we also adopt 4 or 5 families every year.
Mark Shipton. I'm the store manager at Save on Foods on the north side. We've been doing this for 6 years now, I think, 6 years, and we're very happy to be a part of it. Victoria Park does a great job raising money for some people who need a little extra help at Christmas, and we're just happy to be part of it. So we put them together, and then we donate a turkey for every hamper. So this year was 42 hampers. Each hamper's $175. We had a $25 gift card on that, so Victoria Park pays for $200 towards that, and then we had a free turkey. I was just saying, I know it's Christmas time when I'm building these hampers, because yesterday it took me about 7 hours to do it. But there's a lot of work that my team does to help with it as well. And yeah, we're just super happy to be part of it. We know it's Christmas when those hampers go to the door.